How to choose a packaging machine. Just look at 5 pieces of content. 1. Choose a factory with a long operating history. The factory with a long operating time will have richer technology and experience accumulation. The machine is not easy to fail. 2. Choose a machine with high precision, which has kinetic energy such as automatic recognition of product size and length, automatic sealing and cutting, etc. 3. Choose from machines with self-checking function. If our packaging machine breaks down, it will be displayed automatically. 4. Select the PLC control panel. The parameter setting is convenient and quick. 5. Choose professional and meticulous after-sales service. Professional products need a professional team to maintain. Suny Pack has a business history of more than 10 years. The more technology and experience it has accumulated, and the more professional after-sales team, it is your best choice.